Hello and welcome back to Parrots training videos for the ANAFI USA. In this video we'll walk through the different piloting modes found in the Freeflight 6 application. Piloting modes can be found on the bottom left of the display in Freeflight 6. First, let's take a look at Cameraman. Cameraman Mode is a versatile tool built into the Freeflight 6 application. This mode allows you to select and track any subject. You can pilot the aircraft while the camera will stay focused on the subject. You also have the ability to move the subject around the screen for the exact framing you desire. You can do this by simply pressing on the subject and dragging them across the frame. Remember, you can still use zoom in Cameraman mode. The Follow Me mode allows the drone to track your movements. There are 3 tracking modes: locked, track, and dynamic. The Follow Me mode offers lots of different angles and perspectives for the user to choose from. Smart Dronies allow the pilot to get the perfect shot with no input. These include dolly zoom, boomerang, orbit, and parabola. Now let's take some time to walk through Flight Plan mode. This mode allows users to create autonomous missions and save them to their Freeflight 6 profile. To drop a waypoint, simply tap on the map. Then the white arrow will indicate the camera angle. Here we'll complete a basic bridge inspection. The slider on the right hand side will control the altitude of the waypoint. Here we will set 3 waypoints to inspect the pillars of the bridge. If we desired, we could change the altitude of these waypoints. On the back side, we'll drop 3 additional waypoints and link them to a point of interest. To drop a point of interest, tap and hold on the map. Then you can select what waypoints you want to link to the point of interest. The point of interest will have a number in the middle of it. This indicates the altitude that the camera should look for the point of interest. Next, let's take a look at the layout of the flight plan. This representation of the flight plan allows users to quickly see what's going on. At the bottom we have our different waypoints. At the top left we have an estimated flight time. At the top right we have a number of options we can drag in, whether that's record, photo, a pause option, aircraft rotation option, and an aircraft camera angle option. We can drag these in wherever we like. There are a few more plan options that we need to check before flight: landing on last point, and the automatic progressive course. Once you are satisfied with all the mission settings, all you need to do is press the play button on the bottom of the screen. The aircraft will automatically take off and start the mission. Touch and Fly takes the workload off the pilot. This tool is great for situational awareness and pilots operating in new areas. With the use of the map feature, pilots can quickly send the aircraft exactly where it needs to go. Simply select a point on the map, an altitude, and the ANAFI USA will do the rest. This mode can also be used in point of interest mode to instantly lock the camera on a target. Keep in mind, these are just some of the great autonomous features built into the ANAFI USA. To find out more information on different autonomous features, visit the tutorials page on the Freeflight 6 homepage. In the next video, we'll talk about the different camera operations. Thanks for tuning in to Parrots training videos for the ANAFI USA.